Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am doing a nail video today. These are my press-ons that I've had on for about 2 weeks, and I was working out in the yard, putting some sand on the base of an umbrella and scratched up 4 of my nails. So I decided to cover them with water marbling. So that's what you see going on here. Sometimes they turn out okay and sometimes they don't. What I'm doing here is I took a red cup and just cut it down halfway, put water in it, and then you can put in your designs, drops of actual regular nail polish. So I was using yellow, gold, blue, and pink. And it dries very quickly, and you just sort of mess around. I'm using a safety pin opened up to dip the nail in, make circles around so that it doesn't mess up the nail when you pull it out. And when the polish was too thick, I used some nail thinner because I haven't polished my nails in a while since I'm using press-ons now. But I really want the nail to last at least 3 weeks. That's what I do with my press-ons, and so I needed to deal with those scratched nails. So I did water marbling with 4 of the nails and decorated the others, the 4 that had the scratches. So that's what you see here. We're dropping the yellow, the pink, the blue, and the gold, and I varied it. Then you just take the safety pin and move it around. If you see a component of a design that you like, you just go ahead and stick your nail in, run that safety pin around it so that when you pull the nail out, you won't get those other colors on there. So as you can see right here, I'm just moving the colors around, stuck my nail in, and I'm showing you what the nail looks like as soon as I get it out of the water. Now you will see me periodically sort of shake the cut off cup, and that's to help break open some of the colors. When I start to move the pin around, it doesn't necessarily move how I want it to. Shaking it helps it to spread out. I can put colors in, and once you see a design that you like, or a portion of it, that's where you can stick your nail, run the safety pin or whatever you're using around it so you can pull out the nail and the colors. So now it is time to clean up around my nails, the ones that I've chosen. Yes, I have polish everywhere, but that's not really a problem. You just take a brush with your acetone, nail polish remover, and just clean up around them. You'll see the finished look at the end, actually one after I've worn it for an additional week. I'm also adding just a shimmery, pearlized, slightly opaque color over it to just bring everything together. So you can see what I've used here, the different color polishes, and the cup. As you can see, it's a mess now, but you just throw it out. The polish thinner, the 2 design colors with the longer brush, and I actually used some BH Cosmetics pink glitter to finish off some of the detail there. And here are what you see. I thank you for joining me and appreciate you always supporting my channel, and come back. Thank you, Quita with the Quitassential Life.